In modular programming, it is extremely common to pass status information from subordinate programs to a supervisory program and commands from the supervisory program to its subordinates. With program parameters, we can simply make a connection between parameters in the two programs. Prior to the introduction of program parameters in V24, a customer using aliasing could not pass data directly between two programs. So, for example, let's add a rung to our packaging status routine that will roll up line status from several lines and then provide machine permissives. So far, we just have the one line, but we expect to add more, and they will be added in series to this initial condition. Looking in the line 1 program, we see that there is a line ready output parameter. We need to connect this to the packaging line 1 ready input parameter. We begin by opening the connection browser for the parameter. To locate program parameters in other programs, we can uncheck the Show Controller tags and the Show Local Program checkboxes. Then, in the Show Parameters from Other Programs dropdown, we select the program wherein the other program parameter resides. Now we can locate the desired program parameter and double-click it. Obviously, we should connect input program parameters to output program parameters, and vice versa. Now the line ready status will be reflected in the line 1 ready parameter in the supervisory program. In addition to making connections between programs, we may also use a parameter from another program directly in our logic by using direct addressing. So if we open the tag browser for an instruction in our logic, we can navigate to the desired parameter just as we did when making a connection, but now we simply double-click the parameter and it appears in our logic. Notice that the parameter name is preceded by a backslash and the name of the program wherein it resides. This is direct addressing. Keep in mind that direct addressing is not nearly as modular as connections, so it is not really a best practice. Still, the capability is there if a customer needs it.